Hello everybody! Today's activity is the family we choose. And today we're going to become engineers and we are going to design our apps. These apps are going to reflect how we feel about our family members. To do that, we need our journals, scissors, the template, color pencils, and glue. Let's get to it. Hi guys! I hope you guys like what we did today. We learned so much about our family, friends, and ourselves. I hope to see you again on this virtual summer journey.